they did some shit. They had messages, they had histories in there and shit, no more shit, right? And then like,
Please stand
she
clear.
was
The
pretty
doors are closing.